Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Noise ColorFit Pulse Fitness Smartwatch. This is a very compact box. You can see a photo of the fitness smartwatch in question. There's a lot of information here. At the back we have that this particular smartwatch comes with a 1.4-inch touchscreen. It has multi-sports mode, 10 days of battery life, blood oxygen monitor, 24/7 heart rate monitor and IP68 waterproof rating. That's more or less all the information in this box. Let's open this and show you what the smartwatch looks like. Here we are. These are the components of the box. We have some documents. This is the user manual for the ColorFit Pulse. You should read it at least once when you want to set it up. There are some stickers from Noise, you can see. And there is a thank you note and a warranty card from Noise as well. This is the magnetic charging dock that comes with this particular device. And this is the ColorFit Pulse smartwatch. There is a protective layer on top. I'm going to remove that. There you go. This is the 1.4-inch display. It's very compact, has a classy look to it as well, has this gray and black color scheme going on at the dial at least. It comes with these pair of black silicone strips. Let me just show them to you. There you go, the black silicone strips. It's a very flexible silicone strips, but they don't look very, they don't look breakable at all. They look quite durable. And this is the heart rate monitor at the back. You can see optical heart rate, 210 mAh. It comes with 210 mAh battery. Blood oxygen level, it measures blood oxygen levels as well, and comes with IP68 rating. I'll put it on my wrist and turn it on, see if this works. There you go, it's turned on now. So I will have to download the Noise Fit app to pair this device. In another video, I'll show you how to do that. But for now, this is what you find inside the box containing the Noise ColorFit Pulse Fitness Smartwatch. Thank you for watching.